hopefully not, pero medyo concerning injury niya.
Hindi ko pa alam exactly kung ano status niya, ano, kung how serious the injury is, but he's already been having issues, no, with his knees, no, even before. Kaya man yung focus namin to strengthen his lower body. So, nangyari pa ito ngayon. So, we'll see. We have to make an assessment of his injury, his health, and then mahirap kasi na ina-manage namin minutes ni Bo, tapos si Keith nagka-problema ngayon, tapos si Kayla na-injured din. Baka kung guardia na lang nilaro namin, no? Pagka ganun. So, we'll just have to find ways, but it's a good thing. Ngayon nangyari, we're going to have time to figure something out in the next few weeks siguro.
Players na nasa injuries, update mo lang.
Actually, gusto na namin gamitin no? Si Kaylan medyo okay na. We have a game on Friday. I think, Saturday, I think he's going to be a game day decision. Si Kaylan, we'll see him in practice tomorrow. Ano yung situasyon niya. Si Stanley naman, he's okay but he's still feeling some pain, so I don't want to use him with that pain there. So kailangan lang magpasensya pa ng konti, maghintay pa kami ng konti. Kasi ang pinaghahandaan talaga namin yung last 3 or 4 games namin, medyo yun ang mabibigat na kalaban namin. And then we have a 2 or 3 week gap in between games. So that's really the time we will try to make use of that to get everybody healthy.
Luis pa.
Si Luis 2030 siguro rin.